Hi everyone, it's Wayne. Okay, you're wondering, Wayne, what in the world are you doing? What does this get us? Well, it's wintertime here, but springtime's coming, and I'm getting ready. Last year I bought me a fishing belt, a real nice thing. I liked it, I enjoyed it, but it sat too low on me, and it got wet. So I wanted something that rides a little higher. And I found this vest. It's a Bassdash. I don't know if you can see that there or not. Bassdash is the brand. And it's got pockets galore. I mean, my goodness, I've never seen so many pockets. They go frontwards, they go backwards, there's ups and downs in the back, and place for the net, and all kinds of things. There's a rod holder here, and I wanted to show you this also from, it's Smith Creek Fishing. I'm going to pull this camera in. Smith Creek Fishing, and it's got a little deal there. Got a clip on with a short retractable lanyard, and this thing will hold the fishing pole. Okay, this is not a real thick fishing pole, but it'll hold on to them. And so many times I've been in the river and just stumbling and dropping my fishing pole. So I want something that worked for me, and this is just, it's an amazing piece. I think I'm going to love it, and put it together with this, get the fish in position, grab the net, and I'm working with two hands. Or if I'm tying a fly, got two hands, not losing my rod, not getting down in dirt and sand and nasty stuff. So anyway, Smith Creek rod holder, and the Bassdash, there's their emblem, fishing vest. Let me take this off to show you a little more. Okay, so got big pouch here. Big pouch in the side here. Got bigger pouch that goes down behind that one. Got one in front of it, got one in front of that. Got a little netted area there. On the inside, there's a pouch goes that way, and an open, it zips, and an open pouch that goes this way. Just it's all kinds of places, and the other side the same way. So in the back center, it's got both sides. There's just stuff everywhere. You can put stuff everywhere. And that's what I like, where I can put stuff everywhere. Anyway, let's get some. Let's get ready to go fishing. All right? Bassdash. And Smith Creek. I don't know what I did with it. Smith Creek rod holder. I like them both. I'm going to enjoy them in the spring. Early winter, maybe, or late winter, maybe. Thank you. Bye now.